Good morning. I'm Professor Daniele Marchioni from the University of Modena. I'm the chairman of the ENT department and lateral skull base unit in Modena, Italy. I would like to invite you to attend our lateral skull base dissection course in Dubai. This course will held in the Tarabici Stamberger Institute, and it will be the first lateral skull base dissection course in Dubai. In my opinion, it's really important to have you in our course in order to learn all the traditional approaches to reach the internal auditory canal. So our plan is to perform a demonstrative dissection for the translabyrinthine approach, for middle cranial fossa and retrosigmoid approach, and transpulmontory approach. And all the participants can dissect in a step-by-step fashion the cadaver in order to reach the skill to reach the internal auditory canal. I hope to see you soon in Dubai and you enjoy Dubai during